Hello students, in this lecture we will see 6th numerical on nodal analysis. Here the problem statement is find the current through 10 ohm resistor and using nodal analysis. So the first step in the nodal analysis is identification of node. Node is a junction where more than two elements are connected. So this is the first node, the second node is over here. You can even identify the third node over here. Can this be a node? No, only two elements are connected, so this cannot be a node. So the another node is over here. Now if you see here, at all the nodes only three connections are made. So it is up to you which node is to be taken as a reference node. Preferably the downward node can be taken as a reference node. So I am taking this as a reference node. After this you have to assign the variable for the voltages for the node. So here I am assuming the voltage as Vx, the second node Vy, and at third node it will be Vz. So we will apply KCL at these nodes. So KCL at node X. That means summation of outgoing current is equal to summation of incoming current. Now you check, is there any current source connected to node X? No. So that means I can assume all the currents as outgoing. Okay. So the downward current can be written as Vx as you progress minus 25, and you have to reach up to reference node. So minus 0 divided by 2 plus this rightward current can be written as Vx minus Vy by 4, and this upward current can be written as Vx minus Vz by 10, and that no incoming currents, that is equal to 0. So LCM over here is 20. So LCM is 20, so I will multiply throughout by 20 over here. So I will have 10 Vx minus 250 plus 5 Vx minus 5 Vy plus 2 Vx minus 2 Vz is equal to 0. So you can write down the in equation format, and here I will have 17 Vx minus 5 Vy minus 2 Vz is equal to 250, and this is my equation number 1. Now similarly I will obtain equation number 2 by applying KCL at node Y. Next time you have to write down summation of outgoing current is equal to summation of incoming current. Three branches are connected to node Y. Is there any current source connected to node Y? No. So that means you can assume all the currents as outgoing. So the leftward current can be written as Vy minus Vx by 4. The downward current can be written as Vy minus 0 by 7. And the rightward current Vy minus Vz divided by 2, and no incoming current, so it is equal to 0. So LCM over here is 28, so I will multiply throughout by 28, and that will give me answer as 7 Vy minus 7 Vx plus 4 Vy plus 14 Vy minus 14 Vz is equal to 0. So in equation format this can be written as minus 7 Vx plus 7 for 11 and 25 Vy minus 14 Vz is equal to 0, and this is my equation number 2. Now third equation I have to obtain by applying KCL at node Z. Three branches are connected. You are applying KCL at node Z, so that means summation of outgoing current is equal to summation of incoming current. Is there any current source connected to node Z? No. So I can assume all the currents as outgoing. So this downward current I can write down as Vz as you progress plus 12, and then you reach at the reference node where the voltage is 0. So minus 0 divided by the resistance in this path, that is 3. Leftward current is Vz minus Vy by 2, and the upward current is written as Vz minus Vx by 10, and this is equal to 0. So LCM over here is 30, so I will multiply throughout by 30. So here I will have 10 Vz plus 120 plus here I will have 15 Vz minus 15 Vy plus 3 Vz minus 3 Vx, and the right hand side is still 0. So in equation format this can be written as minus 3 Vx minus 15 Vy plus 15 plus 25 plus 3 28 Vz is equal to minus 120, and this is my equation number 3. So you have 3 equations and you have 3 unknowns Vx, Vy, Vz. So you can substitute this constant and coefficients in the calculator and you can calculate Vx, Vy, Vz. So Vx turns out to be 34.01 volt, Vy turns out to be 13.09 volt, and Vz turns out to be 6.37 volt. But the problem is not over. You have to calculate current through 10 ohm resistor. So you can write current through 10 ohm resistor. So this resistor is connected between node X and Z. So you decide how you are moving, X to Z or Z to X. If you have decided to move from X to Z, that means the current will be Vx minus Vz by 10. So that means you are moving towards right. So Vx turns out to be 34.01 minus 6.37 divided by 10. That is rightward current. And the final answer turns out to be 2.764 ampere towards right. If they ask you to calculate, let's say, current through this 3 ohm resistor, then how to calculate this thing? So that I am writing over here. So current through 3 ohm resistor. Now see here, current through 3 ohm. So current you can start at node Z and you can end up at reference node. So here the current will be Vz plus 12 minus 0, that means the voltage at the reference node, divided by the resistance in this path is 3. So this is equal to, that means you are moving towards left. Through 3 ohm the current is moving towards left. Okay. So Vz value is with you. So 6.37 plus 12 divided by 3. So that is equal to 18.37 divided by 3. So this turns out to be 6.123 ampere towards right. Thank you.